தொடர்ந்து டெல்லி முதலமைச்சர் அரவிந்த் கெஜ்ரிவால் இந்த கைது நடவடிக்கை தொடர்பாக கண்டனம் தெரிவித்து செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்து வருகிறார். அந்த நேரலை காட்சிகளை பார்க்கலாம்.
They are seeking refuge to BJP, so they are being protected. BJP government is sending ED and CBI only to the opposition parties, opposition ruled states, and we strongly condemn it. And if BJP feels, if they think that they will be able to get a few seats in Tamil Nadu in the Lok Sabha elections by using ED and CBI, I think they are living in a fool's paradise. They will not get even a single seat. We strongly support Thiru Stalin Saab and his entire government, and we stand with them.
Friends, what is happening in Tamil Nadu? Once again, I reiterate, it is very atrocious. Mr. Amit Shah was in Tamil Nadu a few days back. As soon as he returned, the ED has become so aggressive, and ED went to the Tamil Nadu State Secretariat, Government Secretariat, and it is highly objectionable how the ED can go inside Tamil Nadu State Secretariat, and also now it has arrested the minister. These are all highly condemnable actions on the part of ED. These are all happening at the command of union government, which is headed by Mr. Modi and BJP. And BJP thinks it can wound people, it can win the confidence of the people by allowing ED, IB and other central agencies to target the opposition parties and the non-BJP governments. As Mr. Kejriwal has said, in 2024, we are confident that BJP will be thrown out from power, and Mr. Amit Shah claimed BJP will win 25 seats in Tamil Nadu. It is very strange. He said they live in fool's paradise. Even a fool can imagine such a thing. That is another thing, because Tamil Nadu is not such a state which will allow BJP to enter and have foothold. And not only in Tamil Nadu, after Karnataka elections, BJP has become so desperate, and the discontent of the people against BJP is growing every passing day. We should take note. That is why BJP is becoming desperate, and it does all unconstitutional things and undemocratic things. We strongly condemn this. What is happening in Tamil Nadu, what is happening in Delhi, and what is happening in other states also. And we appeal to all secular democratic forces, parties to come together and fight together in order to stop this outrageous attack on constitution, democracy by BJP.
Not just raise, I think that's going to be one of the most important agenda in that meeting. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
டெல்லி முதலமைச்சர் அரவிந்த் கெஜ்ரிவால், இந்திய கம்யூனிஸ்ட் கட்சியினுடைய தேசிய செயலாளர் டி ராஜா உள்ளிட்டோர் கூட்டாக டெல்லியில் செய்தியாளர்களை சந்தித்த காட்சிகளை பார்த்தோம். தமிழ்நாடு